Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.